How to cross the street in Iraqi Kurdistan. Let's go, quick. We're over. And look at the weather, man. We don't just get weather like this in England, we get weather like this in Iraqi Kurdistan as well. So we're on the way to the museum, but we're just going to hide out here for a bit. Get out of the rain. They don't really have crossings, crosswalks. Here you just got to go for it. You just got to commit to it. But yeah, check out the traffic. Right, we've got to cross this street now. Wish us luck. Stay in this traffic, man. Will we make it? Shit, we're gonna run over here, man. Let's go, shit, right. Commit. Commit. Man, did you know they had weather like this in Iraq? I do now. Check it out. Oh, that's where the local buses look. They're the local buses that we use here. But yeah, this is Iraqi Kurdistani weather in January. Spider-Man, Captain America. Oh, the poor doggo. Poor doggo's out in the rain, man.
This Missouri? I thought you were talking about trash on the roads.
Welcome to Iraq.
Quite miserable, cold rain. Very miserable.
This is our holidays. I've got another one to get over. Just gotta find a space. Hang on. This one's gonna be more tricky. Alright, that's it. Right, let's go to the museum. Time for the shisha. No, you have to.
That wasn't as impressive as I thought.
You got to puff hard on it and get a good draw on it. Oh, that's a long one. It's a long one. That's the one. That's it, mate. He's a natural. Boy's a natural.
Yeah, I don't know how good it is to be a natural in this.